Smart investors know future developments can make or break your property's value. Massive apartment developments can flood a suburb, causing oversupply, falling rents, and dropping property values. But planned infrastructure, like transport, retail, and amenities, can boost demand, raise property values, and grow your profits. Always research before you buy. Check your local council's website for upcoming apartment projects, infrastructure plans, and commercial developments. Choosing an area with balanced development means steady rental demand and solid capital growth. Ready to invest wisely? Comment below for your free consumer awareness guide, The 20 Things You Must Know Before Purchasing Off the Plan.